Hi lovelies, welcome back. My name is Terry with Organic Raw Roots Farm, in case you're new here. And today I'm holding a Beltsville small white turkey eggs. We have 4 of them, and we are going to try to hatch a mate for our all white turkey. Wish us luck. So here is a mini chicken coop that we're going to be selling on our website, organicrawrootsfarm.com. And I decided to put my Polish inside to test it out, and then I put it into the turkey house so they could get acquainted, and it's working out really well. It has a little room for them and enough room for them to walk around, eat, scratch, and I have a pretty good sized water bottle in there for them. It's pretty easy to assemble. It can be a rabbit hutch. You can put your quail in there. We're also going to be using it to put our baby chicks in there so they can have like an hour outside and then go back into the brooder box. And it has locks on the front door where the room is, and it has locks where the little run is also too as well. This is Chocolate Chip. I got a video coming out all about her. She's pretty special. She was the only one that hatched out of 9 eggs I bought off of eBay, and she's a loner chicken. She doesn't want to go in a flock. She pecks everybody, and she is the boss. Okay, I'm gonna run. I need to go cut some hay because it does not stop growing, and it does not cut itself unless you have some cows or some goats, but I have either. So thanks for hanging out with us. If you would like to purchase a mini chicken coop, just go to my website, organicrawrootsfarm.com, and go to the shop button. Have a nice day. We love you. Bye bye.